Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My courtesy to our beloved President, Dr. Sema Sidina, and the remaining members of the Board of President, the Honorable Mike Han, representing the faculty. Of course, the everlasting former member of the Board of Regents and our walking library in Islam, Dr. Saudi Abubakar, and the overall champion, and the Pogi na nanalo sa kalo lang tayo nagkatalo. And of course, my courtesy and respect to each and every one of you. Now, first, we will remember the message of the President. Ano message ni President? The success of the university is not mine alone. It's a collegiate effort. Sabi niya, itinambing niya tayo sa isang uri ng kahoy. So each part of the tree performs their responsibility. So meaning from the roots to the tip of the leaves are functioning. Now, are we with that? No? Yes, because we are being metered by the government on your performance in the board examination. So yan yung ibig sabihin, the university now is stable in line. So one thing na nagpasalamat si President kanina is sabi niya, we don't have yet a rotten tomato that mix in a healthy basket of tomato, and that's the university. And another thing he mentioned in his speech is forgive and forget. So may kasabihan, and knock of an apology will not open the door of ampun. I-reverse natin yan. And knock of an apology will open the door for forgiveness. So tungkol naman nung sasabi niya na what more we can ask to the government of the Philippines. And the fraction of the government of the Philippines is the institution, and that's the university. Ano yung sabi niya? We will not criticize the management laid by him that the husband and wife, the daughter, are employed in the university. It's not the blood, but they are all qualified. So, behind that, what is the covert essence of that? Just focus your responsibility on teaching in management honestly. Honestly. Now, what you know is the relationship of the university and your service is symbiotic relationship. Do research, then you will be promoted by yourself. And that's the line of the university will shine. There are two things being achieved by the human resources of the university. Ang akala nyo kasi, maraming pumapasok sa board, ang impact nun, nationally, internationally, ay sumisintay yung university ng nagkilala. Okay, so, yung nandiyan ang asawa na, ang anak niya, ang pamangkin niya, ang manugang niya, it's not the privilege of the president. It's not abuse of his prerogative, but our family are all qualified. And one thing he said that for as long as your kids, relatives, husband and wife is qualified, he will prioritize. Okay? So, meaning he's taking a life or viable seed sown in the soil of the university, and you will nurture that. So, pag nakainay-tanim tayo dyan, so, just focus your service 8 hours a day. And remember this lang sabi niya po, Ustad Abubakar, if you will cheat the 8 hours, as if you're performing your fasting. So, ibig sabihin, kumain ka na hindi patakip, sili na kitang liwayway. So, your fasting is foul. So, if you cheat an hour, in your service in the government, you are feeding your children na hindi fully halal. So yan yung mga sinasabi niya. So, meaning, nasabi niya kanina na the prosperity is now showering in the university. And according to Sada Bubakar, if a family rests together, that's o alas limo is salpa. So yan. So ngayon, nagpapasalamat tayo because nothing happening between and among us. So yan ang pagkakaganda natin. And since we're all government employees, first and foremost, settle your family. At tupagin mo muna yung pamilya mo para hindi ka ma-distract. So I am not standing here to follow my footsteps. Kami ni Ustaz, at kayo may mga asawa dyan, mga lalaki, just stick to one. Stick to one. If a lady courted you, run away. And if you're pushed to the wheel, lumabang ka na. Diba? So, for as long as yan katumay, our senator of the university sitting here, so, yan ang tandaan natin na sinasabi ni President. Okay? So, remember that the university is in knowledge propagation. Kung sino yung santo kung tumaturuan natin ng mga estudyante, then that will multiply yung salita niya. Whether you know it or not, God is not sleeping. Pag-iinto ito. So the university now is well known as a region national. Our very young president is very supportive. And this is the first time na nagkameron tayo ng parang limitless happiness. But the only thing we left or we lack is time. And maybe, as we whisper here, I will press next time, and I will be not around that anymore because I'll be retiring by March. Yes, so maybe I will not lead you in terms of physical presence, but I'll be around. Okay? Because I grew up in the university. I got married my only wife, 1978. Fourth year pa lang ako. But still, I did not give my wife any pain. Diba, Bubakar, bakit ka mag-smile ng ganyan? So yan ang tandaan niyo, no? So another na kasabihan ng mga psychologists, the worst prison in the world is your family. So, men and women, select your love. Pag nagkamali ka, at till death was part, pag hindi masama ang ugali ng lalaki, parang nabilang yung babae. Pag babae naman ang masama, parang nabilang habang buhay ang lalaki. So yan ang titingnan nyo. Kasi talagang very risky ang pagiging mag-asawa. Magkasawa ka. So finally, yesteryears is history. Yung lumipas, kanina natapos na. And that's the part of history. And you cannot return it anymore. Yung kasiyahan natin. It passed away in an hour, in a minute. So hindi na may balik yan. So that's history. And today is a gift to all of us. We know that Group 6 won 5? 6. Sex. Oh, Group 6 won 6 sets. Oh. So, mga basta, magaling mag-ganyan. So, your practice. So, ang lahat yan, all of you, hindi na natin may babalik yan. Now, what next? Tomorrow is a fortune. Bukas ay fortune na. Future na natin yan. You will never know what to be the next president. You never know pagdating ng January, sino naman ang ma-promote sa inyo? Because the president is very kind. And remember, I love Khan, many presidents. First president, my principal is Dr. Kelendo Merias. Then the first president is Dr. Bob Pindaliday Mecase. And next to Dr. Pindaliday is Dr. Payakan again, may there is in peace. And next to Dr. Payakan is Dr. Dinganan. And second, after Dr. Dinganan is Sir Bantala. And Sir Vilna. Now, dinaanan ko lahat yun. Kung baga sa management, I have more than PhD in management. Because I will tell you, Dr. Kelendo is transformer. A transformer person. He will beat up your guts. And Dr. Pindaliday is reverse. My cousin. Nung siyang presidente, sabi nila, bakit hindi man nang magalit? So, nung magalit, nagpalakpak ang mga tao sa lamat at nagalit. You see? Maraming food for thought. So, yung kay naman, yung kay Dr. Ali naman, very consultative. But I characterize him as late bloomer. Kasi saktan niya napansin ang ulo ko, paalis na siya. Sabi na, you are an asset. So kung na makita natin, dahil nilabang ko yung nawalang pildo natin ng isang buwan. So nag-success tayo. So nilabang ko rin yung hindi nabalik na GSIS hanggang na-neutralize natin. So sa lahat sila ay wala. Si Sir Bantala naman is a father. Para kang niyang anak. And now, yung presidente natin is more than a brother. Sobra pa sa kapatid. You can call him, you can talk to him, you can ask him, for as long as within the ambit of law, he will never say no. So he is the youngest president. So finally, we will tell the president that because of this, the only thing I can say is I love him and will love him very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.